Bwomugusie. Ndizi TV. Obwansu Bwomugusie.
Right, asante sana wana mwancho mulikiribu na otogendrete kubwati yali aberega kumulekerwa asobwa gale anemono numura Wense William Samuel Ruto asedi tukaliga ya Labor Day or International Workers Day igo no mwancho mulikire manga aberega kumulekerwa ronto aligere gati ya bwata nebekere nseme yimba kwa na mange kwendo mokonyo muri Wense gati gashagwa ngati yabare bali batakwa na mangana amatambe senseme yoli bageri ni gari chinga chin kamono anemono asokonyara kumwaligania umura na umunchu muliki buno togendrete kusangira muna chinse chiga kunyara kumulekera ali wano mwanchu muligereria abereka okolekana che ogotebya buli tangani tosabuko abera soko butuka kweli ogin igobo na umure Wense akwanira mange gati abwatani bange bakwana sensemeyo togochaka anemona ikreto kumulekera ni gobono omugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja anyara kumulekera obokorre we county ya Nairobi anemona kunyara kumutebyo mulikyo monene gweke mbikirigia abakolimere mokoto Francis Atoli kwane kibuna siasa chiri ase county ya Nairobi ni gobono chigendrete anemona asemeremo asgonda atebete basakobana bobonde Wense asogekirania kwemeremo ase county ya Nairobi amange na kwa no women rep Esther Passaris nena kwa na kurwa asenseme yo ya Nairobi kolengana Esther Passaris ko na kurenseme yo no women rep nigate birubune agente serikali anemone bwente kumulekira no kwira nanse kwebango ko chiasaba kulimeremo be serikali anemona soboga chibwe chinyomba gose affordable housing nichinga tuko chikumulekira so mwancho muligereria nabo igo umurai Wense nyareka okwana manga kurwa senseme yo nigono nabo umurai Wense ko kwana senseme yo abereka kumulekirane muno obagachi we chinyomba cheligoderia nse kolengana nere ngakye yuniganya ragotse yabuna ni gobono imeye county ya Nairobi baligeti gochia kwane kibuna nkwagacha wale chinyomba chiribu emeronge 5 weke emeronge 5 nebere kilo mwaka imeye county ya Nairobi 50,000 to 70,000 ngati chinyomba chibente kwagachwa ase county ya Nairobi kilo mwaka libono abantu konyora chinyomba cheligoli lyanse nabo nigo muri Wense nyara kumulekira abasaye konyora emirimo chinse chisiko asebona atebire buna serikali nebegetemiro berisene kwanege kilo mwaka ni serikali yegotuma abasaye chiri buchimibere amone meronge 5 to 250,000 ngochiko kolemeremo inse chinse chisiko konyara kwane kibuna ngokini bare ense ya Kenya gati anda mango muri Wense nyara kumulekira mwancho muligeria ngamona makabeso kurwa chinse chisiko asatebire buna ense ya Kenya te kwaga chugotera asa makabeso kurwa chinse chisiko ni gobono yamo beterere konyara gotigara asogukinirwa kwebango asatere umusimamo mokongu nagoika ngebange enyarge kurwegwa Malibono ense ya Kenya iranyare kogendera ngati yali tokumulekera mwancho muligereria achinse chigabono chebono mugaso ritonyare gokumanya ngane mona ali abere ga kumulekerwa asensemeyo tato ko ira mase mu mwancho muliza kuligereria ali abere ka gokwanerwa ngane mona wakira tokumira na kurwa sensemede studio tumanyiguna ari ya abere ka gokolekana ane mona guruli tukeliga ali abokoli emeremo International Labor Day ngalibono ali abali kuligererigwa asoboime na boni go okubuli gukwa bekirwa roka ne kuna gati ya munchiri na chikonyara korwa eliko ne kimna bakoli emeremo ngonyara balo busibole bene bo gokora emeremo yabo eliko nyara goikerania obokorre bwabo gochi asaba Kenya igonda tokerogochia enkwana enda tokero icha senkwana kurwa sense mende studio tonyare kurigirira nari yabaka gukwanirwa ekero kiribona tokumurikira igoro yabo kremere mo beserekali asa monchererio ase baganiria monchererio chikunyara kobekwa eriko ne kibuna habo kremere mo kunyara boro bosibuli boisaine asogo kora emeremo yabo tonanga seme studio toigwangerio geria senchira yabene
workers to our nation's economic growth, including our nation's independence. This is also a time to reflect with gratitude on the role of Kenya's labor movement in laying the foundation of our nation's freedom and also prosperity. It is clear, therefore, that Labor Day is more than a celebration. Today, we also honor the labor movement's historical campaign for fair wages and decent working conditions, which continues to inform our commitment to improving the welfare of every Kenyan worker. We embrace the theme that you have laid out, Kenyan workers standing for advanced information technology training to drive our digital economy, which is not only aligned with but also underscores the government's significant strides in digitizing our economy and integrating digital technology across various sectors and in the entirety of our economy. While Kenya is globally recognized for its advancement in digital readiness and inclusivity, there is still much to be done to achieve job creation and increase in productivity. I listened to our sister Jacqueline, and she emphasized on the issue of productivity, and we are all aligned that that should be the facing forward of our job market. Through strategic investments, we have built robust digital infrastructure, established incubation hubs, and launched initiatives like the TVET Jitume program to boost youth digital skills. As I speak to you, Kenya Power, ICTA, and the Ministry of ICT are rolling out the program that will give us an extra 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic and connect 100,000 other institutions, including markets, including schools, including homes, so that we can have a firm foundation to tap into the digital economy, whether it is digital jobs or digital commerce. Likewise, the Ajira digital program aims to empower over 1 million young people with digital job opportunities, showcasing our commitment to revolutionize the economy through our digital economy.
Omunchumurikire bono ino murebense William Samoei Ruto gakonyara kumurikira enchera yo konyara gokine birengo bire byabasae enkwana bagakwato kali tukolera kura sense meli ya Urgadense kutoka nsa muchene Nairobi asedi tukeli bene limanyekanete buna International Workers Day Labor Day libono mwanchumuri ya beli gochingirwa sense mwibona manga habaka gukwana na banati yaguna neme enchera nera serikali ya chakire ko ne kibuna abakuremere mu konyara libo kinwa soko gona ne kibasa kya makabeso una enchira mu yo konyara kwegenderera yose chilona egenda tebireke bwente kuligirirwa sobo imeno nabo kolengana no muraibu ense chinga kiechini ganyara gakomurekera enchira abasaye barande chize chisiko nabo asenkwana ya yabuli tanga nibo igoni ganyara komurekera buna ni gabasaye chiri buchimi ibere amane 50 kilo mwaka baraba bakolemere mu chinse chisiko yene enchira mu yo konyara go kanekina emeremo ngo chia saba saye konyara rekobekwa ne serikali yense ya Kenya yenkolengana staro cha yabereka utara chinse ase matuka maiga asogote bune yabereka kuligyo matobu yamune chinse cyo eli abasaye kurwa sense ya Kenya kwenyorre merimo ngase chinse chisiko igobona igate birebuna mnachikoligire bana gosika okugane kwabo kuri merimo nabo igobane wabo konyara kumurikirwa sobeme na konyara nemono kerya bagane tigo twara cinga kicini igomara ibwenza ate birebuna nabali kanti chinkona gati yabo kuri merimo beserikali eli konyara goikirania obo kuri bwabo asenchira ibwenerete
conditions. We are dedicated to updating labor. We are dedicated to updating labor laws to protect workers in today's evolving market. We are also committed to relevant government and private sector entities to expedite policy development and legal frameworks for this dynamic sector, ensuring full protection of workers' rights. Further, we have implemented measures to enhance our vocational training across counties. This is aimed at increasing their capacity to equip our workforce with the necessary skills to bridge the gap between available jobs in the market and suitably trained workers for these positions in our ever-changing economy. The pace at which jobs are created in our country is way lower than the rate at which new workers enter the job market. Every year, 1 million workers enter the job market in Kenya, while only 200,000 are absorbed into formal jobs, both in the private and public sector. Labor migration, therefore, is a critical component of our socio-economic development, benefiting both Kenya and counties that welcome our workers. As the minister has said ably, this is the reason why we continue to negotiate bilateral labor agreements to facilitate safe and orderly labor migration, protecting Kenyan workers' rights and facilitating their access to international job markets. We are at the advanced stage of concluding several bilateral labor agreements with many countries, including the UK, Germany, Austria, Saudi Arabia, among others. Every Kenyan worker has the right to fair pay and a safe workplace. The 2024 Social Protection Bill, approved by Cabinet in January, underscores our dedication to address gaps in social protection, including fragmented legislation, coordination issues, and funding shortages. We are committed to enforcing labor laws and engaging in ongoing social dialogues with unions and workers to uphold their rights. Like every other right, labor rights should align with the public interest and the economy's sustainable financial capacity. Social dialogues aim to enhance mutual benefit and shared interests, recognizing our collective goal of advancing Kenya's welfare.
Monchu mulki watoka ndete oko bunira aso wimena kunyara gukumanya so kararia alibono abereka okolekana kolengana n'umurayibwense unabereka kubeka oroboti rwa serito kulia lero lia Labor Day litukuli nebono gocha saba kulimeremo alemo to kumulekera ensemeli y'abakulimo no be serikali yabwa sabange bagendete kwe murungania igoro yobo korere bwe serikali ekara yo gendete inyurabuna nigo ensemu y'abanyagetali bagendete no mugirobo oyibono gendete ko so serito kulia 49 umurayibwense niganyara kumulekera ngane tukuli ala sensemelia ya Hur Gardens mu Nairobi asanyara gote ya Erebija kunyara kwalikana chinkwana chiabene nyiramo no kolengana no roboti ro yomurayibwense asiri tukuli ala ni ganyara kagote yabuna abanyagetali ni kubanya sekyo mbekiriki KMBD kubwatira ne chinsemo chinda sensemelia yobo chenu nigo abete bago ikia okugani kwabo ebintu barengete byarenge 19 ngibono baganete serikali nyare kubirigiria sowe yomurayibwense ni gate yabuna nigo ikiraboni ga serikali yitabirana ebintu 15 na bibere kolengana ne serikali go yatuguterara amagani yabere kurwa sensemelia y'abanyagetali ngaso umurayibwense abakagote yabuna go koyarkana bitango bitanyara gwikirana asoko boro wechibesa ngobo nebintu bibire by'abanyagetali yose okugani kwabo kwabere ko gutuguterware ngane mono ase chintunde na boni gorutate birebuna asamagani yabo y'abanyagetali ase bintu biri bayitete byarenge 19 eserekani ngo yitabiranire 15 bibire ibono bagochia goisaransa na goetia kwane kibuna abanyagetali nkwira na bale emeremo anemono sechinga kichigonyera bulitangani boigoni go omo governor we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ate yabuna kubwatekana netoge ya berge kwane kigwane mona sensemili ya Nairobi ya nensemili ya Mathara bantu gosombo na mache igo ekerengo kia 53 asemi ya abanyagetali barorokana kwira na semili mana mono chinga kichiga embre nyinga gendete kwane kiwa na sensemili ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja boigoni nyara kubolia gati abanyagetali batare na semeremo anemona semelia Nairobi kwane kibunankira na bale ekarukiriya serikali ngendete kuligiriye okugani kwabe gento kirro murayibwense kanyara gote yabuna gati yamagani 19 nabere ni gago chikotegererwa ne serikali ngana boigo yanyara gukwanwa no murayibwense asiri tukulia lero ase anyakwana ya chinsemo chirichi ya Nairobi Ur Gardens.
To undertake industrial action is enshrined in the Constitution and labor laws. It must be exercised responsibly with due regard to the well-being of the public, and I urge all parties involved to act in good faith and prioritize the interests of our citizens. Respect for court orders is paramount, and adherence to the legal processes is essential in resolving disputes effectively. We need to tighten our belts and live within our means as a country in order to make more resources available to manage our economic challenges and to invest in goods and services that benefit all, not just some citizens. It is neither just, proper, nor reasonable for any group to make demands that run counter to this imperative, elevate their claims above legitimate benchmarks, or exceed our economic capacity. I want to urge workers, including our daughters and sons who are doctors, that as social partners, we must swiftly address the pertinent issues at hand, ensuring that essential services continue uninterrupted and our commitment to serving our citizens remain unswerving. Looking ahead, to ensure industrial peace and manage disputes effectively, I have instructed the Ministry of Labor and Social Protection to activate multiple wage councils outlined in the 2007 Labor Relations Act. These councils include Council for Seafarers, Protective, General, and Agricultural Wages. They will negotiate minimum wages in different sectors, enhancing conciliation, mediation, and industrial peace. Kenya operates within the global context, and our competitiveness is key to overcoming economic challenges. Progress has been made in managing inflation, stabilizing the currency, and addressing debt. Our economic policies have also lowered prices of basic goods, easing pressure on workers. As we continue on this trajectory, we need to appreciate that we must live within our means and manage the cost of doing business in our country as a way of enhancing our overall competitiveness. And it is the reason why, listening to both Francis Atwoli and Jacqueline Mugo, I think they are reading from the same script.
Na bwego mwancho muligereria karata na takomulekera yubuno murebwe nsabaga kunyabeka na goda kunera gocha soro kunyara ko yamanya ali anyara kumulekera ni gono na bo murebwe nsagendera kumulekera buna enchera ndiyo kunyara go kinia anligesa anemono nebinto binde aiga sense ya Kenya na bo ruto niganyara kumulekera buna obwaga chibwense ni gobo kubwatira no amona aba Kenya bonse asekiro montabo atobosoro bo kubwatira na kwande kingo kinia legatie binte binge ebene uchumi anemono kwande kibuna magendero ngo ikira ni gwale aiga sense ya Kenya ya kwa nabo igekara anyaraga kumulekera igoro yamangana lengeta magendero asata birubuna goikaba Kenya bonsi asobwa mu banyare kubwaterana engana anyara gote yabune era anyara goikerana onyaba Kenya bago chamo nago ancha kubwaterana asokunyara goikerania amagendero.
As the people of Kenya, those of us who have the opportunity to work, those of us who have the opportunity to get a job, we must be productive and we must get fair pay, because Kenya is going to be built by us. Every Kenyan has a responsibility to participate in the building of our nation. We are going to build Kenya with our energy, with our knowledge, with our expertise, with our talents, with our energy, and with our resources. We are not going to build this nation, or we are not going to expect others to build this nation for us. We are not going to expect resources from others to build this nation. It is first and foremost our responsibility. And that is the reason why we must bring into the bracket as many Kenyans as possible to participate in working in Kenya, so that they too can contribute their talent, their energy, their expertise, their knowledge in building our country. It is the reason why I have been deliberate and intentional on making sure that we do at least 3 things. Number 1, we have a deliberate program on how to create more jobs. As I talk to you today, we have 140,000 young people who were not working last year, but they are working this year in our housing program. As I talk to you today here, we have another 120,000 young people in our TVETs, in our ICT hubs today who are earning salaries, who have a job, a digital job, 120,000 who did not have that job last year. It is because we have been intentional on creating additional opportunities for young people in Kenya to work. It is also the reason why we are reorganizing labor migration, why we are signing bilateral labor agreements, because it is my intention that every year we should be able to send 250,000 Kenyans to work in different parts of the world so that we can enhance and we can increase the number of people who are working abroad and also enhance our remittances from abroad. I am very happy that from last year to this year, we have increased our remittances by about 50 billion. And it is my intention that in the next 5 years, we should take our remittances from $4 billion to $10 billion. And I am committed, and I believe it is doable because I can see we are in the right trajectory. Kwa hivyo,
na kila yobe gagendrete umurewense kurwa senseme ya seritukeri ya International Workers Day go celebrate niko beganyara kumurekirana gukwana anemono igoro ye oko igwana kwabarai asate birubuna nere byabaraye koligia cinchira cyo konyara gukuru mucando oyubona anda koko bagoko ene kigwani gate birekera barayi bako chiro bwente go cha sobwamo libagari yo koleto kuburukana no gutaigwana sensemo ya serikali no nyabakwamerera ya serikali nere byakoligia cinchira cyare gwikirana eriko ene kibuno murembe nororo asoko gwikirania amagendro aiga sense ya Kenya ni ganya rekomo chiana mono ogutaigwana gati yabarai ngakarokeria bagotwara muchando ndebwense anago chia serikali anemora bare bali bacha rene serikali onto wisaransa na gotwara chinkwana chiabene eliko neke unankuru bara amagendro abo no gwikirania ogokina wense ya Kenya ana sense melia ya magendro
kwa njia ya taratibu bila ya msukosuko ama bila ya kupigana. Kwa sababu inawezekana tukubaliane. Na ndio nawauliza hata madaktari wetu. Tumeweka kwenye meza yale serikali iko tayari kufanya. Kati ya mambo nafikiri 19, serikali imekubali mambo 17. Imebaki 2 kwa sababu haiwezekani kwa mambo ya fedha, na wauliza madaktari wetu warudi kazini. Mambo tutarekebisha, uchumi tutazalisha, na kila mtu atapata haki yake tukisonga mbele. That is what we must do, and we must be brutally honest with one another. Hakuna haja ya kudanganya. Hakuna haja ya kutafuta umaarufu. Tuambiane tu ukweli. Because those of us who are elected as leaders, we are not elected to be popular. We are elected to serve and to transform our country and to work for those who elected us. I find a lot of leaders, they spend so much time trying to be popular. When will you have time to work for the people who elected you? If all the time your focus, your attention, your energy is on how to continue being popular. Leadership and the transformation of the country is not going to happen if we don't focus on why we were elected. And I want to ask all of us. Na niwaulize kwa unyenyekevu, kwa sababu ukienda hapa Mukuru, sio mbali kutoka hapa Mukuru tunajenga nyumba 14,000 saa hii inaendelea pale. For those of you who are in doubt, I ask you after this meeting, muende pale Mukuru. Kuna pale wafanyikazi zaidi ya 4,000 wanafanya kazi hapo kila siku. Hapa Nairobi tunataka kujenga nyumba kati ya 50,000 na 70,000 kila mwaka. Ndio wale watu wetu wanaangaishwa na maji na mafuriko na maporomoko waweze kupata mahali ya kuita nyumbani. Niliwaambia inawezekana.
Na kiro muraiwensa gendera kumulikira mangana y'umoncho muligiriria n'enkwana ya itogendrete kunye sansa murana senchira yo bwengeri kukumanya umoncho muligiriria nkiye kanyaraga kubekera kwegure buna asensemeri y'abanyagetari bo igoni gate bire buna amagani y'abanyagetari 19 aiba bago bawikiye serikali giga serikali yitabiranire 15 igona biro katuguteirwe nsemo asekirenga buna ukoboro wechibesa ngikunyara wikiranie ngane yo ase umuraiwensa nyara kole banyagetari baira nemere muri yoka ekerekero gochukubeka asubwagare na gwikirania magani yabo 15 ase 19 ayubono abanyagetari baba kogania magayoko bose egekegitamba sumugirobo asa amatuka 49 agoikera bono ekera yubo gagandete muraiwensa naro namurekeregero yubo gachibwe chinyomba chitokorokana affordable housing nyirabono moncho murigereria chinga kyecho babunge anabono umubunge korwa sensemeri ya Lang'ata na kwa nenganejo asabe go mu women rep county Nairobi sta pasari zanyara kumurekera igoro yebango kurwa sensemeri y'inyomba ruto go kwa nenganejo boy goni nganyara kumurekera igoro yobo gachwe cyumbo go safode housing ngajibono kigendrete kwa wacho na gote yabuna emeroberi yabagate yobo gachwe cy'inyomba ni gora konye gati yabasaye abantu bali bokonyora gwanse nganaga ige mwamwa murekera bottom up economic approach asogote yabuna abasaye balomete cy'inyomba cyansi bakona siringo yotane kiri buisa to senyomba y'amabati manyore nyombe ngiya enyomba yerigena ayibone bwate bintu byansi sensemo nyirabo igoru to namurekera gote yabune mie county Nairobi yoka kiro mwaka naye kibuna kwaga cyari cyomba kiribu emeronge 50,000 goika 70,000 cyomba bono kibante kwaga cyon na se county ya Nairobi kiro mwaka unenjereye mu yoko nyara gotwara cyomba cyisa ine n'abantu asensemo yo ya Nairobi bo igoru to kuma na sengana yini ganyara kumurekera ngana yokuru kwebango abwasa abantu barokane kumoroka buna zakayo asikonde nsemo ya yagote buna literyo ndibwate ko konde wense go chia sare egentekenne go ikemere mekoreke gutumeka sebango igamurikana gote buna takonyara gutumeka chibese chia makabezo kutinye chisiko asokwaga chense ya Kenya kulinde gentara akolekero kyo no kone kibuna gutumeka lebango yaba Kenya asokirania magendra iga sense ya Kenya tugwange nkwana ya yomura ibwense iyo akwana lituko lya lero.
Before the end of this year, kabla ya mwisho wa mwaka huu, mutaziona zile nyumba nilianzisha mwaka uliopita kwa sababu nyingi zimeanza kuwa tayari. If seeing is believing, you will begin to see, so that you can believe that we are serious on the housing plan. Our intention is at least in the next 5 years, we must create 1 million new home owners in Kenya. People who have a place to call home that we have facilitated. Apart from creating jobs, we create decent livelihoods for our people. I want to tell the people of Nairobi, jana tulikubaliana kwenye baraza la mawaziri na tulisema wale wote ambao wanaishi katika riparian reserve tutawasaidia waondoke kwa sababu hatutaki Mkenya apoteze maisha yake kwa mafuriko. Wale wanaishi katika vitongoji zile zingine karibu na riparian reserve, tumekubaliana tutatumia hazina yetu ya housing kuwasaidia kujenga social housing ili hata na wao waishi mahali penye kuna heshima, mahali kuna maji, mahali kuna proper housing. Na tumesema wale wanaishi in our slum dwellings, they will be our first priority on matters social housing. Kwa hivyo nataka niwaulize wafanyikazi wote sisi wa Kenya, tujue ya kwamba nchi hii haiwezi kujengwa kimiujiza, haiwezi kujengwa na watu wengine. Wenye kujenga Kenya ni sisi, nguvu yetu, akili tulio nayo, mipango tulio nayo na pesa zetu, na hiyo pesa inatoka kwa ushuru. Kuitwa Zakayo si jambo, bora tulipe ushuru. Zakayo ni jina, hakuna problem, tunaweza kusonga mbele. Bora tujenge Kenya hii, watu wapate manyumba, tuwe na affordable, tuwe na universal health coverage, watoto vijana wetu wapate ajira. Zakayo ni jina, tuendelee mbele. Wenzangu, najua haikuwa imepangwa ya kwamba tutaangalia vile wale ambao wanahusika wataketi chini ndio tuweze kupata nyongeza ya minimum wage. Mwaka huu lazima tuwe na mpango ya kuongeza minimum wage. That we must do. Najua Jacqueline amesema iko namna hii, lakini Jacqueline, this time round we must do something about minimum wage. And therefore, kabla sijatangaza hiyo, mimi nataka niseme ya kwamba wale wote ambao sisi tuko na nafasi ya kuwa viongozi, let us try and be part of the solution. Viongozi waziwe ndio part of the problem. Viongozi wote wa Kenya tuko na agenda, tumepatiwa na
boigo ekarokeri muraibwense anyara ukwanengane ni ganyara kagote bunano hainabo nerebija konyara gotwara kerengo gichibesa nasaba kolimere mo bwente comment one muno asugo chakero mwako yega elibono konyara goikrania amagania bo no inabo chinga kichina nyara gote buna ereni gae gwa chinga kichinga sana ibiri abwente gokora mbona bichakere kubibeka gochia saba Kenya Ruto boigo ni gasabeli bagari yabena nyara goikrani bona emirimo gochia se aba Kenya na kwaniko goli bagari yabena konyara goikrani ya emirimo yaye kolengana buna betega kobeka ji agenda chaye ane mona senga kiliye kambeni mwaka bwechirwe na 2022 Ruto niga nyara komenta buna nere bijya gwikira boniga abakole emirimo komento ekerengo kia isano nemo asemia yechibese chiribagwa kanwa ikoba chibese chinke sano soko bekerengo gianse kilibono abakole mo wente komento igobono nekimanyiriro buna abakole emirimo wente komento chibesa ngasekerengo kiliya 6% igobono ekero komento ekerengo 6% no ne chibese chiri bwensa atebiribuna na serikali wente kuligeribuna mokenyo ndebwensi ryo kolemeremo na bwente comment wa 6% asechibaza chidia kuliye kiromutenye igobono ekina kiekerenge ekagima tebwente comment wa anemono asomwa ko jogo ikomwa ko gocha nkana ndetranya litukalinga buneli gari ale bade tumana na serikali nkaya mente chibaza chiaye ko chakara kerengo ki goikase kerengo kenengane mwamuga ne libuna nigo ebwendrete abakolemeremo comment wa 6% chibaza chiriba kolia abuna omusaro bosengeri yabo ya kera umutinye karakaribo iganyara kubolia nganyara kaguli bagari yabene kunyara goikerania emerobeli yaye una umurai bwense
hiyo kuwa mwaka uliopita sio vile yalivyo sasa. Dola yetu imekuja mahali mzuri, gharama ya chakula imekuja mahali mzuri, ile interest rate imeanza kuteremka chini, mafuta pia imeanza kushuka chini. Ile kitu tu bado iko juu ni makelele ya siasa. Tunataka pia hata na hiyo ikuje chini, ndio tuweze kwenda mbele kama wataifa. So nawauliza viongozi tuwache makelele, hasa wale viongozi ambao wanatafuta mbinu na njia ya kugawanya Wakenya kwa misingi ya ukabila. Mimi nawaomba viongozi wote, mimi nawauliza viongozi wote, na washauri viongozi, ukabila haiwezi kubadilisha maisha ya mtu yeyote. Na mkiona kiongozi ambaye anaendesha siasa kwa msingi ya ukabila, huyo ni kiongozi bankrupt, kwa sababu mtu akikosa agenda, kama hana mpango, kama hana plan, anaenda kukwama kwa ukabila, kwa sababu ndio ile siasa duni ya nyuma ya mwisho. Please, mtu yeyote mwenye ako na sera kuja zungumza na Wakenya. Useme housing si mzuri, useme yako ni gani. Useme export of labor si mzuri, utuambie yako. useme kuzalisha chakula na fertilizer si mzuri, utuambie isalishwe namna gani. Ukuje utuambie utaki digital jobs, watuambie yako. Lakini usikuje kutuambia ukabila. Hawa ni wa kabila hii, sijui hawa ni wa kabila ile, sijui wale ni wa kabila ile. Hiyo ni upuzi na hiyo ni ujinga. And I say it without fear of any contradiction. Tumetoa nchi ya Kenya mahali mbali. And I want to ask the citizens of our country, especially those of us who have the privilege to be leaders, to desist from dividing citizens along tribal lines. That is retrogressive, that is primitive, and that takes us backwards. Tunataka tuende mbele. Tukubaliane, mshahara tutaongeza kwa njia gani? Mapato tutaongeza kwa njia gani? Tutazalisha chakula kwa njia gani? Na ndio mimi nataka sasa nimwambie waziri wetu wa leba aite kamati ile inahusika na waketi chini, minimum wage tuongeze at least minimum by 6%, na mtaniambia vile hesabu hiyo itafanyika. Alafu pale mbele tutaongea na nyinyi vile mambo itakavyo kwenda mbele. As we commemorate Labor Day, let us rededicate
na gotigana yuno mwanchu mutaganda kumurekera mese mangana majabu nagendete gwatekana kyenyora boigo tunyara kumurekera giri umuyigo kolikana itukulia lero asegeti klikero garden sense muri Nairobi sabari awekera na sense muyigati ali baikera na somu yigabuli itukulia lero ngamo no muri Bwense William Samoei Ruto na boigo no muri kyomo ne bekembe klikya bokulimere mokoto Francis Sature ningo chinga gabanyara kumurekera mange sense meyo ekeregeto ntokobwati ngane yo tunyara kengese kingane yo anemono umuyigo junyara kolikana seri tuko lyalere tarikemo mutinyo gatano umuyigo kolekana kero mwaka.
Lakini Papa Francis Atwoli, niliona ukisema unasikia uchungu. Ulisema unasikia uchungu sana ukiona mtoto wako gavana akipigwa ama akitajwa. Ningependa kukuambia Papa, usisikie uchungu, ni kawaida. Ni siasa. Na hiyo siasa huendelea, sisi ni viongozi. Ile kazi ambayo tunafanya Nairobi, kuna watu ambao wanataka tupoteze focus. Hatutapoteza focus. We know what needs to be done. We know the progress we are making. So usisikie uchungu. Unajua hata mimi nasikia uchungu nikiona wewe ukipigwa. Na nimeona umeanza kuchokozwa. Lakini usife moyo pia wewe Papa. Wale wametumwa kunichokoza pia ndio wametumwa wale wanakuchokoza. Na itaisha. Hiyo ni siasa ya kawaida, itaisha. Stand strong, stand firm. You're the leader of the trade union movement, not just in Kenya, but in Africa. You must be respected. Francis Atwoli apatiwe heshima yake kama kiongozi wa wafanyikazi katika sio tu Kenya, lakini katika bara la Afrika. Na pia wafanyikazi wetu wasitumiwe vibaya. Papa Atwoli, unajua nimekuwa patron wa private security workers. Niliwapeleka State House and Your Excellency the other day, we were with them at Uhuru Park. They're asking, asanteni, they're asking, tulieni, wanauliza pia waje kukuona. There are 1.3 million of them in the country. Wale maaskari wetu, walikuwa zamani wanaitwa watchmen, siku hizi wanaitwa private security workers, officers. They want to come to State House to see you. We have asked Raymond Omolo, PS, if you integrate the workers in the security sector to our security infrastructure, we will have a safer country. Ni wako zaidi ya nyumba 10, hao ni nyumba zote. In Nairobi we have more than 450,000 of them, guarding several installations. So tumesema Mzee Atwoli, don't worry, na usinisikilie uchungu, ni kawaida. Sisi upigwa kila siku, wanasema nyanyako ni mchawi, wanasema sijui ulifanya nini. There will always be something. Even if you do the right thing, people will always speak. But the president told me one day, if you're a politician and a leader, and you want to be popular every day, resign and sell ice cream. Ukiuza ice cream, nata uze bure, ndo watu watakupiga. Lakini kama kiongozi, there will always be an opinion about what you do. So we thank you, wafanyikazi wetu, tuko na nyinyi, tunaomba madaktari wetu jameni, turudi kwa meza, tumalize mazungumzo yetu, ili turudi kutibu watu wetu. Sana sana sasa, ambapo tuko na jangwa hili la mafuriko na la mvua, we need all our doctors. Nashukuru madaktari wa Nairobi walirudi, wengi wao, around 80% are back there. Wale ambao wako nje, tafadhali, hakuna jambo ambalo haliwezi tatuliwa, tuweze kurudi. Mungu awabariki, tunawapenda, asanteni sana.
Na chunga kiyo chini kwa wanomu governor wa county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja na kumulekera igoro jembura ngendete kwenye wanemune toigo chinse mojirisho Nairobi yema igagati ya bantu bagendete kuliki kwa sense mili ya madhare mibiri ya betara toka kubuatikana ni mbire nyinge gendete kutua ase nsemijo ase county ya Nairobi amune chinse machiwebe kaine ase county ya Nairobi. Sakaja ndiganyare kubule serikali kwa niki muno kubuatirana kwa imenkororo nemono ase mili ya madhare awasa abantu bange bakunwa nembura kubuatikana ne toigo ya nyare kwa kabanta ase nsemijo ndigagane kubuatirana kwa Amerika ne kianto liba chande ketana ukurone mbura nkonyara bareko konywa anga kiye gembre nyinge agendrete koine kiwa.
Your Excellency, Mheshimiwa Jalasa has mentioned Nairobi Dam. Of course, tumetuma warma pia waangalie because we might need to evacuate further. We've evacuated today in Kangemi Dam. Just to prevent a crisis like what we've seen in Mai Mahiu, we may need to evacuate. And Your Excellency, we may need to consider again what we do with our schools. Tunafurahi ya kwamba katika zile kambi zote zilikuwa 30, sasa hizi zimebaki 10 ambazo ziko Nairobi. Watu wetu wanapata chakula kila siku kutoka zile jikoni ambazo ulizindua za Dishi na County, wanapata chakula moto, lunch, wanapata dinner, na hatutaki wakae hapo milele. Your Excellency, we want to see that resettlement of theirs going on. Allow me just to recognize one category of workers, Your Excellency, who if they were not working in Nairobi, the effects of these rains would have been worse. Your Excellency, tuko na vijana 3,500 wa Green Army who every day are unclogging our drainages, unclogging our ile uchafu ambayo iko kwa mabarabara. Kama tungekuwa na Green Army, it would have been much worse. It would have been much worse. In fact, last year wakati wa El Nino ambayo ilikuwa ya kawaida kwa barabara, hakukufurika Nairobi. It's just that this time the sheer quantity has made the rivers swell, and that is why we have the problems along the river areas, and those are along the slum areas. Jameni, watu wa Nairobi tunawaomba tusirudi pahali ambapo tumetoka.
Na chinga kichwa igoni ge omubunge olangata Felix Atino manyakante na Jalasa berega ko ngane yoko boko kubwatikana ne toigo eyo banaganita ko ne kiwas chinse mochirisho Nairobi ko kwana ne reli tukolera somo yego yoko lekana nsemeli ya Huru Gardens me county ya Nairobi asogo chingara litokolia bakuremere mogo international workers ile manyakante na Labor Day ni governor Felix Atino yareka ko police serikali ko iraga gatambo kerukia bwango anembo no asabali bakunene toigo ko ne kibuna nkoba konyere.
Thank you so much, Excellency the President, our Deputy President, all protocols observed. Watu wafanyikazi wote, karibuni sana ndani ya Lang'ata. Sisi tunawakaribisha. Anytime kuna function hapa, Mheshimiwa Rais umekuwa na sisi na kusimama na wafanyikazi wengi. Hapa kwetu pia kwa watu wameadhiriwa kwa sababu ndio tuko na Nairobi Dam, na tunafanya kazi pamoja na governor kuhakikisha kuwa kila mmoja ambaye ameadhiriwa anapata makazi, pahali pa kukaa na pia supply ya chakula. Katika huu wakati mgumu, sisi kama viongozi tunachukua nafasi kuhakikishia kuwa tutakuwa
na chinga kichumo Women Rep County Nairobi Esther Passaris ni ganyare ko muri Gregory amangana lengete bango kuruga na mono kurasa ba kuri merimo ba serikali ukona kuranse meni ko Passaris ndako yabo Nairobi yo muri wense ko nyara ko muri krane na mono kwire ni sebango kuri wana ba kuri merimo ba serikali ane mona so ikiranya magendro aiga sense ya Kenya erengani wa mone chinse mochinde eri ba kuri merimo nyaro busibole bene aso ko merimo yabo batari ko kiniriwa ebango.
The President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, the CS of Labour, Florence Bore, the President of KOTU, Francis Atwoli, all protocols observed. Happy Labour Day. Wananchi hamjambo. Your Excellency, as a member of the Housing Committee, I want to make an appeal. You know, it's very rare that we get an opportunity to make an appeal on behalf. It recently came to my awareness that when we have social houses, the price for civil servants is double, and yet the houses are exactly identical. I would have thought that if we're going to charge the civil servants more, the houses would have been slightly better. but to come up with 100% price double for the civil servants, I think now that they are taxed for housing, we should have a consideration. I was told that this is something that has to be done by executive order, and I'd really like you to appeal to you to look into the plight of civil servants, because they all want to own houses. We've put 30%.
Na gotika na mangana lengeto mwancho mulikirali yali tukaligali ya International Workers Day limanyikatu na Labor Day nigo to kumulikirali ga to kolekana ne mona sorongoro gusina mangaga ndrete kumulikiro na bali kibaito aibono bagendrete kubwati aso migo chaga kurwase county ya Kisem nigo bono moyiga bokuro bose migo cha saboro kiwa bakora form 4 sekraski 12 bagendrete konyora maigerio ane mono ase University ya Kisem aseri tukolelero gati aboro kiwa mbalo go chikondo University so moyigo yoba to kwaliganiwa na Duke Maingo yo maikante bune chatem abugata nya mune byombe aoni go bikira na sensemeyo umenye go gendrete go ikabono mulikito na ra sensemeyo captain number 00 Demo Steven agendrete ko bwati ngane yo asenchire yo boime kuro sensemeni go chinga geje gati yabasaye sumu baroma ne babasaye oikira na sensemeyo babiri bago semigwa kone kibuna ngo etanga bari kuro tsa guchimba ne mulekera wo chiko swaze University gati ali babiri bako boli go etanga na ronga muno butumike wa maligo yo go tindia egento gekera barabuko nyara go tika chi school na bana baswat go saba iseke bekena sensemeyo ne go aboli kuba maiso ili kwetanga kurwa samali tagenkyo egento kerra banko nyara gotika jiskuru nganyama ga yogo so ase University nengane gendrete kurwegwa no bosemi bogende tukurwegwa mone byombe tikatunyore kengese kengane yo karakali muri kitagendrete kubwati ngane yo tornali ya gendrete kurwa senseme yo ya masayemo ko ika senseme ya Kisii University tornali ya gendrete segekeke kurbono.
If you can completely avoid drinking, you will avoid a lot of problems in your life. Come on, like you never pick on alcohol, you would have saved half of the problems adults face. As chairman said, zote zinakuwa mtu za pombe. Utachapa bibi because you're drunk. Utakuwa na madeni because of alcohol. Utavutwa kazi because of alcohol. So if you avoid alcohol or drugs, you can save yourself a lot of problems down the line, including health complications and all that. Unfortunately, people will still persist in drinking. We always encourage moderation, but moderation is for the few. Most people, when they start drinking down the line, stress ya maisha inakuja, unafika kama ni boy, demo anakuacha. As chairman told you, I'm an ambassador of the boy child, and I've seen how men drink or abuse drugs wakati wameachwa. Na kuachwa ni constant in your life, by the way. If you are a guy, kuachwa ni constant, utaachwa na utaachana, lakini kuna time moja atakuacha utachizi.
Mwenchumulikire bono nganchere nyora mache asebire biga maiga jogo sangamo na yasebiro byarenge bitambe kurwa semambe chinsenye weka chinse chigabono chiabono wekira bono ngo ikoro moelio asemerobelio ase amugasobono kolende merobele negandre kubwatia anemono gusi urban blaze amone merobele negandre kubwati mwenchumulikire weka chinsa chiamoro bachiri boti nyingo mwenchumulia SMS amangana majanchi gandre to kwalika ndo ikirano elibona abali kibaito na baiguna baralia barachi kukumanya nalia ya gandre ko kolekana kolenda sebono nganchere nyoro mutumo moke togendere gosanga anasemerobelio kubwati wetera Ndizi TV obwansu omugusi Felistas Kabendi neronekya ngase chinse chikache wono wasase mesi amangana maya wona kwanya regotera asiriogi na boigo amone chibicha ekaragere Conrad Yongwesi ane kibuna no gendete ko manyali gendete kolekana anemono ayemase mokura semelia urgarden sasomo choria o Nairobi na bonigo abi na boigo Abigail Nyanchama ane kyokubwatirana kurwa sensemeli chibicha mo ne amariogi na boigo na Sara Momanye obabwatana kurwa sensemeli chikamera kwa ne kimwancho muligerya umurobere nkonyorore asenchira ebwende tabalike baitu bonsi ko bakana bemno asoko bwatana na ne masiri tukerigelia Workers International Workers Day ngeribono lya beri gochengerwa asensemeli ya Nairobi kuraso muno bimanyerere tinko mwe Lydia Mose eroko yaletera asomo gasobono tiga nkore gavuna chire gavuna weganya Krobus Mare asenchira yobo ikirano mitandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na wegensemeli ya YouTube na bagoto na Ndizi TV News to base ko bagotobwati buna botambe ase website yetu na www ad.industv.net onyare konyora yo munenda mange boigonye nabo gotokeretse nikyo nampeyemo asogo twakire kura soko likirita kuza KUZM onyare gutuma uchumbu ya ugochi se ya moisano isano nemo enote ya motari wakanira kende gyonse igoko likirita kuza KUZM onyare gutuma gochi se ya moisano isano nemo enote ya mo 15601 gosi 15601 gujumba itoli wakanira kende gyonse 15601 otari wakanira kende gyonse na gochora Industv TV ya obwanjete ensemeria favorite TV station oli Kendizi TV ngabokotokora abanyankongo asensemeria ya kuza wadi twaruburigire buya bitirane nchenkruko Vincent Onyancha.